Hey yo, what's poppin'? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be throwing it down for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. As you can see, we got a double banger. We got both pairs of the Ma Maniere Jordan 5s. We got the Dusk and the Dawn. Both shoes are looking horrendous, looking like someone did a motorbike on these things. But don't trip. If you're at home and you got the Dawns, you got the Dusk, you got both pairs of sneakers, or you're still waiting for Ma Maniere to send you yours, this video is for you. We are going to be showcasing products that are found in our signature shoe cleaning kit to get the best possible results. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. We come at y'all with new content 2 times a week. Plus, we sprinkle in random videos, so you never know when you're gonna get one to get dropped. So don't forget to hit that noti bell so you're notified for all future content. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, guys, before you really jump into this cleaning and get down and dirty, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab these left shoes for both pairs, set them aside for that good old before and after purpose, and we're just gonna be cleaning these right shoes. I know this Dusk pair should clean up a lot easier. It's just a black nubuck. I know our products are gonna do great. However, we may run into challenges with this Dawn pair. These uppers are kind of like a light gray nubuck that may trap in stains, which is why I did choose to use our signature shoe cleaning kit. So if we have to flush those out, we're gonna do that. Again, we're gonna get into that later on. I'll really break down the products we're gonna be using. But right now, I do wanna step outside and just bang off all this loose dirt that are all over both sneakers, just so we're not working with a muddy, murky mess. So I'm gonna go step outside. All right, we are back at it. Let me go and just get this shoe, set that aside. Both shoes do have some solidified dirt in. However, we were able to dry brush and get most of that off. Right now, we can really jump into this cleaning. Again, I chose to use our signature shoe cleaning kit. It's gonna come with all 3 of your brushes, your soft, medium, and stiff, shoe trees, laundry bag, solution, towel. We also have some other reshoeinator tools like our dry rag roll combo and our cleaning mat. We might use a couple other products, but again, if we do, I'll talk about those as well. But right now, let's go ahead and just start with this cleaning by removing these laces and inserting our adjustable shoe tree. All right, our shoe tree is secure inside our sneaker. It's gonna really give us a nice hard toe box so we can apply as much pressure as we need to. But right now, I'm just grabbing our 4-ounce solution and squirting some squirts. This little bottle packs a punch and will give you up to 50 pairs of clean. As always, we recommend using our soft bristle brush. It's really just gonna generate the most bubbles and really deep clean and polish up this nubuck so we can see if we are working with any trapped in stains. If so, we'll jump into some of those other brushes. But right now, let's get it with the soft bristle brush. Few things I do want to mention is this Nike embroidered sign that is in the back of this Ma Maniere 5. You want to make sure you use your soft bristle brush on that because it's not going to fray or snag this material. You do want to make sure you don't use the generic unnamed sneaker cleaning company's brush on this material because it may fray or snag that material. So get you a soft bristle brush that is available inside our signature shoe cleaning kit. All right, I'm all done with our soft bristle brush. The sneaker is all lathered up. Now I'm just grabbing our microfiber towel and really pat drying this sneaker and seeing what stains we're still working with. As I said in the beginning of the video, I knew the shoe was gonna clean up great, and just looking at it right now, it's looking fine and dandy. However, I do wanna just go over with our medium bristle brush and really focus on this midsole. So I'm gonna get to that right now. Let's get it, let's go. All done using this medium bristle brush on this midsole, wiping off all these suds, looking pretty decent so far. But right now I am just gonna jump into our stiff bristle brush. It is the stiffest brush in our arsenal, and it's gonna allow us to really take on this outsole. Let's get it in. That is gonna wrap it up for the quick clean on this Dusk pair. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that shoe aside. Now I can focus on these Dawns. But before I start scrubbing away, I do wanna talk a little bit about both sneakers. Ma Maniere executed perfectly when it comes down to the details. They got that Ma Maniere branding on the cage, as well as the sock liner. Both shoes see that type of branding. They both got the Stitch logo on the back that isn't embroidered, which is just gives it that luxury touch. One thing that is different is this Ma Maniere on the bubble. The Dawn pair does not see that, but right now, let's start with this cleaning. All done with the soft brush on these uppers. They actually cleaned up great. Might not even need to put them in the washer. We'll have to really see after they fully dry. But before I get into our medium bristle brush, I just want to talk about these shoes. Again, I said Ma Maniere, executed perfectly. I like this one just a little bit more. Really liking that gray light color with the purples and blues they chose. Blues, purple, blue. Kayla said it herself, it is a blue color. Let us know in the comment section down below which ones you prefer more, the Dawns or the Dusk. But right now, I gotta get back to work. All done with the medium bristle brush on this midsole. Now let's get into the stiff bristle brush on this outsole. Sheesh. These things are cleaning up real nice, real nice. I do gotta go ahead and just set that aside. And right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of these laces. Both pairs have been sitting aside. Since I'm doing a double banger, just wanted to clean them both at once. To do so, super simple. Just drop them inside your bowl of water like so. Swoosh them around, back and forth with your fingertips. You'll notice the water will just start sudding up and getting all bubbly, and that's what we want. After that, you can just grab them, put in between your hands, just start scrubbing away. From here, just wring out all that dirty water. Since these are a lighter color laces, I mean, we got cream in this light gray, I am just gonna use our soft bristle brush and work on some of those trapped in stains. All right, these laces got some extra loving they deserve. Just gonna put those in the shoe because we're gonna put all that stuff outside to dry. But right now, I wanna talk about this mat. As you can see, this thing is drenched. However, it's still very highly absorbent. I mean, let me show you. Just pour out the excess remainder of our water that we were working with, and we can just fold this up and get it out of here. One common question we get is, how do we wash our mat? I typically recommend putting them inside a load of towels. So when you're washing your towels you shower with, just throw your mat and your extra dirty sneaker cleaning towels all at once. Wash how you wash your towels and then just dry them normal. All these products you saw are available at reshoeminator.com, as well as all your shoe care needs. So don't forget to hit that link in the bio, save you guys some dollar bills. But right now, I'm gonna go set these to dry. All right, we are back. We got both sneakers. They are 100% dry and I'm very happy with the results. But right now I do gotta get these laced up, but I did notice that I actually forgot to clean our little lace locks. They're super dusty and got some grime on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these shoes out for a little bit and then clean them up using our Reshoeminator sneaker wipes. One cool thing about our sneaker wipes is they're dual-sided. So one is a soft, silkier side that allows you to get a nice clean. But if you wanna get a deep clean, you could really scrub a dub-dub with this textured surface. Lastly, if you did just a quick clean like we did today, you can get our deodorizer, spray a couple squirts inside to both shoes, and that is gonna help with the smelly and odors that you can find inside your shoes from time to time. They smell great. All right, the sneakers are all laced up. Before we get on out of here and recap, I did just want to talk a little bit about Ma Maniere and their current situationship they got going on with Nike. If you guys didn't know, they're currently involved in the $32 million international multi-million-dollar laundering scheme. When you say it out loud, it sounds kind of scary. If you're new to this, let me break down exactly what's going on. Basically, they're saying James Whittaker, owner of Ma Maniere and Social Status, has been reselling sneakers to Chinese people for years. Apparently in the lawsuit, it breaks down a little more, saying that James Whittaker has been reselling sneakers by an unnamed Oregon sneaker company, Nike. It really just puts the sneaker community in a funny space. We don't know, are they gonna continue dropping Ma Maniere collabs, or are they gonna pull them? Let us know in the comment section down below, what Ma Maniere would you like Jordan to do a collab on? But right now, it is time for us to go, so let me go ahead and just recap how we got these results. Let's start with the Dusk pair. I mean, at the beginning, I knew it was gonna clean up great. I've cleaned plenty of all black nubuck shoes, and I know exactly how our products are gonna react. However, the Dawn pair, I was a little more hesitant about. I didn't know if we were gonna need to put it in the washer. That's why at the beginning of the video, I say we're gonna use our signature shoe cleaning kit to flush out the trapped in stains, but we don't need it. The 3 brushes work great on that quick clean. However, I would still recommend getting yourself a signature shoe cleaning kit because the results are just so versatile. I mean, obviously you can do a quick clean and get results just like these, or if you needed to, you can put the shoe in the washer and deep clean it and flush out any trapped in stains, as really get out any trapped in odors. Check those out. Check all these products out at reshoeminator.com. Before I dip, I do want to let you guys know that one lucky commenter is gonna get their very own signature shoe cleaning kit. I didn't use this kit to its full potential on this cleaning, but I want you to be able to. So again, one lucky commenter is gonna be winning this in 48 hours. Good luck.